Welcome, Middle School Math Made Easy, Simple Visual Math. Today we are going to continue with algebra, and we are going to practice plotting points from a table of values, x and y table of values, and graph the equation. So here in this video, the points have already been given to you. Someone already calculated the x and y value using the equation, and I will make another video that shows you how to create this x and y table of values, because that is also another important skill. So I've included a lot of visuals here to help students, and if you like these visuals and you think your students would benefit or you from visuals and step-by-step guides, please click on the links, check out my Amazon Teacher Pay Teacher store. Math worksheets with visuals give your students the math supports they need. Follow me on Pinterest. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Okay, let's get started. So here we have the equation y equals 3x, and that means that every time you have x and you multiply by 3, you get the y value. So 0 times 3 is 0. And 1 times 3 is 3. So y is 3 if x is 1. And 2 times 3 is 6. And therefore, when x is 2, as you can see in the table, x is 2, y is 6. So what we're going to do is we're going to plot these points, and this is really giving us the points here. So we're going to take the first row, which is 0, 0, and we're going to put it here and write our point. This x is 0, y is 0, so you can see the point clearly. And then we're going to take the next row. X is 1, y is 3. You can see x here is 1, y is 3. So the table is basically giving us the information, but it is important that you understand how to create the table. We will do that in a different video. And here x is 2, y is 6. So we have our 3 points. We are going to plot them. I went over plotting in a previous video. So 0, 0, the origin, you should always know where that is. That is always where the x and the y-axis are meet or intersect. So here they meet right here. The x, the blue, and the purple, the y meet right here. That's our 0, 0. Now we have to plot the point 1, 3, and I have gone over how to do this. I'm going to go over again quickly. X is 1. I don't go to this one because this is y. I go to x, the x-axis, the 1 on the x-axis. I'm going to keep my pen here, and then I'm going to look at my y. My y is 3. So I'm going to go up to 3, 1, 2, 3, and I plot. I don't move over to the 3. I just plot my point here. This is my point 1, 3. I'm just going to check. Does it hit the x at 1? Yes. Does it hit the y at 3? Yes. And then my next point 2, x is 2. So I go over. I see 2 2's. I see a 2 here. Nope, not good because this is the y. I see a 2 here. Yes, I'm going to use this 2 because this is the x. And now it says y is 6. So I stay at the 2, but then I have to move to the 6. And I don't go to the 6 like this. I stay at the 2 spot, and then I go up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I plot it. Now, when you plot these points for an equation, you should have a straight line. So if it doesn't work out that you get a straight line, then you probably plotted something wrong. And this goes on and on forever. This is my graph of the equation y equals 3x. My line doesn't look so straight, but you can use a ruler. Let's see if I can fix that here. Okay, so let's do another example. Let's just fix this. So basically the table is giving you all the information. It's very important that you know how to fill out an x and y table. Once you have that, you just take the points. Each row is a coordinate, is the x and y coordinate, and then you just plot and draw the straight line and connect them. Let's do another example. Please remember, if you want more worksheets like this on middle school math topics, please click on the links below. Amazon Teachers Pay Teachers. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let's erase this. Okay, so here's another equation, and we're going to plot the points to draw the line for the equation. This is y equals x plus 2. That means every time you take x and you add 2, you're going to get the y value. So 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Remember, the equation is like our recipe. It tells us what operation or operations to do, and we have to follow it. So we put x in, think of an in-out machine. I put the x in, 4, and I do the plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now I'm going to plot the points. I take my first row. This is my x, 0. This is my y, 2. My next row, 2 is my x, it's in the x column. 4 is my y, it's in the y column. And then I take my last row, 4 is in the x column, and y is 6. Now we're going to plot them. So I went over in a previous video how to plot. I'm going to do it very quickly here, but if you need more help with this, especially this first one, students get confused with the 0. So x is 0 right here. If I go to x, it's right here, 0. And then I have to stay in this spot, but move up or down for the y. Y is 2, so I go up to here. This is the 0, 2. It's going to be on the x or the y-axis. This one is on the y-axis. Now I'm going to plot this point, 2, 4. And I went over how to plot in my previous video. X is 2. I don't go to this 2. This is the y. I go to x. I'm doing the x first. X is 2, and then I stay in here, but I go up or down. And I have to go to y is 4. So I go to the 2, and then I go up to 4. And again, just to check, you can always check. Y is 4, yes. X is 2, yes. And then my last point, 4, 6. I see 2 4s. I see a 4 here and a 4 here. I use this 4 because this is the x value, and x is first. And I have labeled that. It's always a good idea to label the points right away when you get them, x, y, so you remember that's the x value. So I start here, and then I have to go up or down. Well, y is 6, so I'm going up to the 6. And you can count, or you can look to see where you get 6, and this is 6 here. And now I can check y is 6, yes, and x is 4, correct. And now I can already see that there is a pattern and that my line is going to be straight. Okay, so let me just fix this, but let's assume it's a straight line. And this line goes on and on forever. All the points on the line have a special relationship of y is equal to x plus 2. And we can make an arrow to show that this continues forever and ever in this direction, and this continues forever and ever in this direction. This is how to plot the points from a table of values to create the graph of the equation. This is very important that you understand how to graph an equation. It is a very important math skill. If you found this helpful, please click on the links below. Amazon, Teacher Pay Teachers, Get Math Worksheets with visuals and step-by-step guides. Follow me on Pinterest. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. These worksheets will be great for teachers, homeschool, and guardians to use after the mini lesson and guided practice. I have linked more of my videos here, so please check them out. Thank you.